Hey everyone, welcome team. In this sample clip, 72 divided by 6 gives us 12, and here we have 6 divided by 3 which equals 2. So 12 divided by 2 is just 6. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it's wrong. So first we have to do this division. 72 divided by 6 gives us 12. So 12 divided by 6 divided by 3. And now we have to do this division. 12 divided by 6 is just 2. So 2 divided by 3 can be written as 2 over 3. This is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to share and subscribe.